Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered how the stock market works, or how people actually make money investing, this video is for you. We'll keep it simple and easy to understand, perfect for beginners. First things first, what exactly is the stock market? Think of it as a huge marketplace where people buy and sell pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks or shares. When you own a stock, you own a small part of that company. Now, why do companies sell stocks? Well, companies often need money to grow, maybe to build new factories, launch new products, or expand globally. Instead of borrowing from the bank, they let people invest by buying shares. In return, investors hope the company grows, and their shares increase in value. So how do you make money in the stock market? There are two main ways. Number 1, capital gains. That's when you buy a stock at a low price and sell it later at a higher price. Number 2, dividends. Some companies share part of their profits with shareholders, and that comes to you as cash payments. Let's cover a few basic terms you'll hear often. A bull market means stock prices are rising. A bear market means stock prices are falling. Your portfolio is simply your collection of investments. And remember, every investment comes with risk and reward. The higher the potential reward, the higher the risk. So, how can you start as a beginner? First, open a brokerage account. There are plenty of easy-to-use apps out there. Second, start small. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Third, diversify. Don't put all your money into just one stock. And finally, keep learning. Research companies, follow market news, and grow your knowledge over time. The stock market may sound intimidating at first, but really, it's just a tool to help grow your wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and be patient. The results can be life-changing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial tips, and share it with someone who wants to start investing today.